Welcome to our video on the best bird watching places in the world. Whether you're a seasoned bird watcher or just starting, these destinations offer spectacular opportunities to observe a wide variety of bird species. So grab your binoculars and let's get started. Number 1. Costa Rica. This Central American country is home to over 900 bird species, including the resplendent quetzal and the scarlet macaw. With its abundance of national parks and protected areas, Costa Rica offers unparalleled opportunities for bird watching. Number 2. Ecuador. Located in South America, Ecuador is a bird watcher's paradise. With over 1,600 bird species, including the Andean condor and the hummingbird, Ecuador offers a diverse range of habitats to explore, from the Amazon rainforest to the high Andes. Number 3. South Africa. With its vast savannas and wetlands, South Africa is home to an incredible array of bird species, including the African penguin and the blue crane. The country's many national parks such as Kruger National Park and the Mangaliza Wetland Park offer excellent opportunities for bird watching. Number 4. Australia. The land down under is home to some of the world's most unique bird species, including the emu and the kookaburra. Whether you explore the wetlands of Kakadu National Park or the forests of Tasmania, Australia offers a wealth of bird-watching opportunities. Number 5. Peru. With its incredible diversity of habitats, from the Andes to the Amazon rainforest, Peru is a bird watcher's dream destination. With over 1,800 bird species, including the Andean cock of the rock and the macaw, Peru offers a truly unforgettable bird-watching experience. Number 6. India. The Indian subcontinent is home to over 1,300 bird species, including the majestic peacock and the colorful kingfisher. From the wetlands of Bharatpur to the forests of the Western Ghats, India offers a wealth of bird-watching opportunities. Number 7. Japan. With its varied climate and geography, Japan is home to a wide range of bird species, including the Japanese crane and the stellar sea eagle. Whether you explore the forests of Hokkaido or the wetlands of Kyushu, Japan offers a unique and fascinating bird-watching experience. Number 8. Kenya. With its vast savannas and grasslands, Kenya is home to an incredible array of bird species, including the African fish eagle and the ostrich. The country's many national parks, such as the Masai Mara and the Amboseli, offer excellent opportunities for bird watching. Number 9. United States. With its diverse geography and climate, the United States is home to a wide range of bird species, from the bald eagle to the ruby-throated hummingbird. Whether you explore the wetlands of Florida or the forests of Alaska, the U.S. offers a wealth of bird-watching opportunities. Number 10. Brazil. With its vast Amazon rainforest and diverse ecosystems, Brazil is home to over 1,800 bird species, including the toucan and the harpy eagle. Whether you explore the Pantanal wetlands or the Atlantic rainforest, Brazil offers a truly unforgettable bird-watching experience. Number 11. The Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. Home to a variety of endemic bird species, including the Galapagos penguin and the flightless cormorant. Number 12. The Okavango Delta, Botswana. A wetland oasis in the middle of the Kalahari Desert, home to a variety of bird species, including the African fish eagle and the wattled crane. Number 13. The Danube Delta, Romania. a vast wetland area in Eastern Europe home to over 300 bird species, including the Dalmatian pelican and the pygmy cormorant. Number 14. The Scottish Highlands, United Kingdom, home to a variety of bird species, including the golden eagle and the red grouse. Number 15. The Serengeti, Tanzania. Known for its incredible wildlife, the Serengeti is also home to a variety of bird species, including the secretary bird and the lilac-breasted roller. So, whether you're a seasoned bird watcher or just starting, there's no shortage of amazing places around the world to explore and observe the incredible variety of bird species that exist in our natural world. So, there you have it, our top picks for the best bird watching places in the world. Which destination will you choose for your next bird watching adventure? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos like this.